Hello there, this is Valerie, founder of I Am STEMable and alumnus of Washington State University. I might look a little familiar. I did get my master's from the math department there, a master's in mathematics, and I am excited about coming back and discussing diversity, equity, and inclusive practices when it comes to STEM education. Now, for this survey, it is anonymous. The only people seeing the results are myself to make sure this workshop is applicable and not a waste of your time, and members of the DEI committee. So when you are responding to these questions, please be honest, okay? Let us know how you really feel, because it is in that space where we are just talking about how we really feel, where we can come to ideas and conclusions about how to work together, how to meld differences together, and really work towards upping the amount of students who are underrepresented on campuses to get those STEM degrees. Thank you again for doing the survey, and thank you for registering, and I look forward to seeing each of you come March 1st and 2nd. Have a great day.